TMMK's production process starts in die manufacturing. It takes about 20 hours to complete one of our vehicles. At the end of our stamping lines, team members inspect the parts as they come off the presses. After final inspection and approval, completed body shells travel by conveyor to our paint shop. The pull system is an aspect of the Toyota production system's just-in-time concept. By pulling instead of pushing, we produce only what we need, when we need it, and in the amount needed. Then the painted body is checked for any imperfections at the 8th and final process, final inspection. If the machine detects any problems, it will stop and send a signal to alert the team leader. This is another key part of the Toyota production system. Jidoka is our practice of stopping production whenever a problem is detected. Once completed, the quality of our engines is confirmed in a test cell. At the beginning of this line, a team member places a manifest sheet on each vehicle. Parts arrive from our suppliers constantly throughout the day, orchestrated by our production control department. Using our just-in-time system to minimize inventories and floor space, the plant typically stocks on-site only the parts needed for about 3 hours of production. Kitting lets team members focus on a quality installation. Every team member contributes to Kaizen. Here is a great example of Kaizen. When TMMK began production in 1988, the doors stayed on the vehicles throughout the assembly process. Several years later, following a team member's suggestion, we implemented a Kaizen and removed the doors. Now, team members don't waste motion and time walking around the doors or constantly opening and closing them, nor do they chance being hurt by walking into the doors. Hanging just above the line, near our team members, is an andon cord. Our team members have a certain set amount of time to do their jobs. We call this Tact Time. If they have a concern or encounter a problem that keeps them from meeting that Tact Time, they can pull the andon cord and call for help. Pulling the andon cord activates tunes, lights, and boards that tell team and group leaders that they're needed and where. Chassis team members install fuel lines, brake lines, and the engine built just for this vehicle in our powertrain shop. The wheels and lug nuts are installed by this machine, a nut runner. It's used to ensure that all the lug nuts are tightened to the exact torque needed. The nut runner features a poke yoke. When the vehicle bodies leave our paint shop, information is sent to our seat supplier, also located in Georgetown. They build the seats and ship them in sequence to match the order of vehicles on our assembly line. Under these bright lights, team members inspect every inch of the body surface and interior closely to make sure that it meets Toyota's high standards of quality. Team members run quality assurance tests to check for everything from water leaks to audio system functionality. We inspect every aspect of these vehicles to ensure that only the best quality vehicles leave our plant. From there, our vehicles are shipped to Toyota dealers across North America and the world.